Hi there. I wanted to share another quick tip for virtual instruction and virtual therapy. And here it is. This is a great website. It's called NewsELA. So it's newsela.com. So think of news in the English language arts world. So the reason I love this, I use this whenever I homeschool my kids. And I also use this in therapy. So for it's just a great resource. What I love is that I can do text sets, so I can assign text. So if we want to talk about mindfulness and stress management, here's just an example of a text set that's developed. So these are, I can create an assignment. I can assign it to my children on the Google, on my Google Classroom, or my students that I'm working with in the Google Classroom. And then they can each have to read any of these, and then we'll talk about them. For the membership one, you can it has questions and like quizzes and things like that, but you don't, there is a free, like all this that you're seeing right now is the free subscription. So it just goes to these articles, and I like because they're news articles, so that's current and things that you can talk about. And then it tells you the grade level and the reading level. So you can adjust that based on lower level reading or advanced if you want. So here's your quiz, and then it shows you and you answer it. So it has quizzes, so you, after you read it, you can talk about. For me, when I homeschooled my kiddos, I would assign my children 2 news articles a week, and then we had a day where we just talked about the things, the current events that were happening, and we just shared it over lunch or breakfast, and this is what we read, and we just found it interesting. Interesting articles that I knew were based on their interests, but then were also kind of present in what was happening in the world today. So check it out. I think that you'll find that it's a nice resource to add to your to the things you're currently using. You can do so many things with it. So I hope you like it, and all the best. Thanks.